Hello and welcome to the ReadySetTrade trade of the day for Monday, the 30th of November. Today's trade of the day is Romeo Power Technology. This is a SPAC company, special purpose acquisition company, which is yet to go IPO. Now, the problem with Romeo right now is if you're a stock trader, I would never ape in at this price up here. This chart is on the run and it will have its day where it pulls back. Now, the problem is that this is the price that I would be looking to buy at, which is about $12 a share. So I could sit out there in perpetuity with a limit order at $12 a share and wait for maybe, just maybe someday, the price will come down there, and maybe it won't. So if I'm a stock trader, there's a huge amount of uncertainty right now and indecision in terms of what I should do. Should I just chase after this thing or set up a limit order and wait for the pullback? Either case, it's not really a great situation. You're watching something run away without you, and that can cause a great deal of stress. However, I do have an alternative for you for the trade of the day. And this once again goes to the option traders that have many, many more alternatives to be able to take a trade with. Now, remember that I said that my buy point would be about $12 a share, which is all the way down here, and the price is already lifting off in the pre-market today. But what if I could set up a trade right now that I could get paid today on taking this trade, whether or not it went higher, sideways, or even lower over time? That is with the cash secured put option. If I go to the 15 January 2021 cycle, which is only 46 days away from now, I could sell the $12.50 put, and let's say that I can get $1.50 in credit for it, bringing in $150 on $1,250 in capital, because I'm required for every contract to have the capital to buy 100 shares, which would be $1,250. And this equals a 12% return. So 12% return on the next 46 days isn't a bad deal. Now, the risk with a trade like this is if I'm committing to buy at $12.50 a share, the price could come all the way down to here, and below that, maybe they don't go IPO. Maybe they just don't acquire the company. Usually the floor for these is going to be about 10. So really this speaks to my risk for this position, which is going to be that $12.50 minus $150. So my real cost basis is going to be somewhere around $11 a share. And that's after 1 month. Now, keep in mind that I think that you shouldn't use more than 10% of your account for establishing any position like this. So in this case, you probably want something around a $12,500 account or larger to establish this position. And that is it for today's trade of the day. We'll see you in the next one.